Hello, my name is Susan Cohen. I'm an author and director of a publishing company based in Edinburgh in Scotland. And I'm also a researcher into Viking history, something that endlessly fascinates me. Today's talk is called The Mighty Vikings of Norway. The Norwegian Vikings, very different from their Viking neighbours in other parts of Scandinavia. Today we're going to be talking about their history. Not just the history that is recorded in the history books, which is never objective anyway. We are talking, of course, about past events, what happened, how it happened, but we'll also be talking about why it happened. Because what we're talking about is really the lives of human beings that have gone before us. Why did tens of thousands of young men and some young women take to the seas when they didn't know where they were going? They lost sight of the shore, and all they could see was the horizon. Why did that happen? This is an absolutely fascinating tale of the Norwegian Vikings, the masters of the sea. And you will see that from their Viking contemporaries, they were very different. They were fierce. They were ferocious. Nobody messed with the Norwegians. Nobody.